Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Today, Vitalik Buterin made a $100 million investment in Shiba Inu News. Based on the burn volume in September, the Shiba Inu burn tracker estimates that it would take 25 years to consume 90% of the original Shiba Inu supply. A Shiba Inu might not be worth $1 even in that case. 100 billion Shiba Inu tokens would still be in use after burning 90% of the initial supply. Shiba Inu's market capitalization is $5.7 billion. Vitalik Buterin, who recently invested $100 million in Shiba Inu News, will be discussed in this video. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. As of October 13th, there were 1,223,516 Shiba Inu investors. The amount is 9% greater than the total of 1,114,483 from the previous day, according to CoinMarketCap data. Analysts predicted that when the cryptocurrency's appeal waned, there would be less interest in the meme altcoin. The Shib team is looking for ways to adopt initiatives that would increase the cryptocurrency's profitability, but they are not giving up on the asset. Based on October, Shib burning would need to go on for a few more years until there were only a few billion tokens remaining. According to the amount of burns, Shiba Inu trackers estimated back in July that it would take 10 years to consume 90% of the available stock. Shib may cost much less than $1 if people were encouraged to destroy them. Shiba Inu has already consumed 41% of its initial supply, but Vitalik Buterin torched the majority of that amount in a single transaction. Since the previous 18 months, only 0.2% of the stock had been burned. Owners of Shiba burnt some of their own tokens. Since then, initiatives were established with a portion of their income to burn Shib. Most recently, the Shibaswap-led development team gained control of the burn gateway to provide a passive cash stream to everyone who burns Shib. Each of these initiatives will assist Shiba Inu in catching up to its rivals. Shiba Inu burns cost $17,500 in all in September. That's 11 times more money than was needed in a quarter to burn a Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's price exhibits a lack of bullish momentum, which led to the reversal of its previous run-up. Shib is therefore likely to reverse recent gains and fall before retesting a crucial support level. On October 13th, Shiba Inu's price dropped 11%, tagging the fair value gap FVG, which ran from $83 to $92. Shib regained its losses and closed at a better price than it had at the beginning of the day because of the day's extremely turbulent event. While positive, this development didn't get much attention. Shiba Inu's price has been fluctuating as a result. Shib will probably keep losing weight if the price of Bitcoin doesn't stabilize and start to rise. The FVG's lower limit at $0.083, which is near to the point of control, or POC, at $0.81, the level with the biggest volume of trading since May 2021, is one of the critical levels to keep an eye on. One of these levels might be an excellent spot to recheck for accumulation. Investors should anticipate a reversal in the Shiba Inu pricing if the market conditions have improved. The equal highs at $0.0179 would be an excellent location to start dumping from the viewpoint of a market maker. Gains from this maneuver would amount to about 119%. And this is probably where the memicon's upside is limited. On the other side, the bullish argument will be refuted if the Shiba Inu's price results in a daily candlestick closure below the POC at $81. In such a scenario, the Shiba Inu's price may decline and return to the $74 support level. Traders who trade this pattern typically search for long positions. The gap between the head and the neckline serves as its breakout target. The price of Shiba Inu is currently hovering just below the neckline resistance. To verify the trend's validity, a break above that same level is required. Investors won't likely start selling until the MVRV crosses the mean line again. To justify a 16.25% breakout to $0.01208, it is therefore more likely that demand will rise and Shia will move north. The bear market appears to be strong and is still very much ongoing, due to the unstable global economic climate. Bull traps should be avoided by traders by taking early profits, especially when knowledge from the IMAP model to purchase into the block is taken into account. At $0.1100, the Shiba Inu price recovery might lose steam. This area saw the acquisition of 67.33 trillion Shib tokens by about 23,200 addresses. These holders might sell in order to break even as the price rises, adding downward pressure. Buterin, a Russian-Canadian who was born in a tiny town close to Moscow, is best known for founding the cryptocurrency Ethereum. He co-founded Bitcoin magazine in 2011 and was a pioneer in the cryptocurrency industry. Along with Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Diorio, and Joseph Lubin, he founded Ethereum in 2015. Vitalik Buterin currently has a $1 billion total net worth. The other token is used for financial services and the selling of crypto collectibles like non-fungible tokens, and is linked to the Ethereum blockchain. In 2021, Vitalik's net worth fluctuated greatly, and on November 8, 2021, ETH reached an all-time high of $4,818.08, making the other wallet worth $1.71 billion. When the dark market first started in January 2022, ETH traded at $3,683.05. He still maintains his status as a billionaire though. He also has significant holdings of other well-known meme tokens, like Shib, $505 billion, Akita, $50 billion, and Deutsche Coins, $500 billion. Shiba Inu cryptocurrency valued at $100 million was donated by Vitalik Buterin to the Indian COVID-19 Relief Fund in 2021. In the wake of the Luna accident, Deutsche Coin and Shiba Inu have entered terrifying red zones. He has given the Deutsche Coin Foundation ETH worth about $1 million. After winning the 2014 World Technology Award, Buterin received nominations for the 2016 Fortune 40 Under 40 2018 and Forbes 30 Under 30 lists. He had the concept for Ethereum after talking to Bitcoin developers all over the world and learning about the potential limitations of the digital asset. He intended to develop a new and improved version of Bitcoin's scalability and applications with the audacious goal of drastically re-architecting the web. The merger, formerly known as Ethereum 20, is the crypto industry's most anticipated event. The POS consensus is gaining popularity among crypto enthusiasts as there is growing opposition to the extremely energy-efficient POW mining method. Ethereum DevOps has been working diligently since 2020 to introduce the current ETH20. Shiba Inu has done well for investors since it was founded, and it is a perfect illustration of why investing early in cryptocurrency initiatives can pay off handsomely. Shiba Inu had a bad year in 2022, but the price forecast for 2023 indicates that Shiba Inu may make a profitable investment. Shiba Inu's price in 2025 might indicate that it is a wise investment, but if you are a cryptocurrency investor seeking significant returns, you should opt for a different project that is still in its early stages. Shiba Inu is too elderly to generate significant returns on your investment. Over the past 24 hours, 6 transactions totaling more than 50,802,530 Shib were burnt. The Shibburn Initiative reported that 20,757,815 Shib tokens were destroyed in 6 transactions on October 16, according to the Shibburn Twitter handle. In 48 transactions during the past week, 395,803,998 Shiba Inu tokens were destroyed, bringing the total amount of Shib burned since the beginning of October to hundreds of millions. From the initial quantity of 1 quadrillion Shiba Inu, 410,382,016,984,249 have already been destroyed. A slight increase in significant transactions may signal the beginning of market activity by Shiba Inus, whales, or substantial holdings. The block reports that substantial transaction spikes are linked to increased activity from whales, whether buying or selling, and that a transaction is frequently worth more than $100,000. Shiba Inu continued to trade beyond the 0-point level, resulting in a 31% rise in large transactions from the previous day. About a year ago, Shiba Inu started a bull run that culminated in a bullish pennant and brought the stock to its current all-time high of $88. Shiba Inu has lost over $88.36 since its peak, putting it on pace with other cryptocurrencies that have been impacted by unfavorable market conditions since the start of 2022. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.